Cash Giraffe bonus round that does not trigger is usually a tracking or eligibility issue, so restarting the app is not the only thing you should check. The first step is confirming that Cash Giraffe is actually recording the activity connected to the bonus. By the end, you'll know how to check tracking, refresh Cash Giraffe, verify the game setup, and collect the information support needs if the bonus still refuses to trigger. Start by completely closing Cash Giraffe and opening it again. Then, open the game or offer connected to the bonus, and check whether your normal activity is being recorded. If regular progress is also missing, the problem is probably tracking rather than the bonus itself. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. Then reopen Cash Giraffe. A connection problem can prevent the app from receiving updated activity information. Now, check the game installation. If you are completing a game offer through Cash Giraffe, make sure the game was installed through the offer and that you started the activity after opening it from Cash Giraffe. Installing the game separately can prevent the platform from correctly attributing your activity. On Android, check Cash Giraffe's app settings and permissions. Open Settings, select Apps, find Cash Giraffe, and review its permissions and battery settings. If your phone is restricting background activity, allow Cash Giraffe to operate normally and test the bonus again. You should also check whether Cash Giraffe has an update available in the Google Play Store or App Store. Install the latest available version, then restart the app before testing the bonus again. If regular game activity is being tracked, but the bonus round still does not trigger, do not repeatedly reinstall the game or create another Cash Giraffe account. Those actions can make tracking harder to diagnose. Instead, take screenshots of the bonus requirement, your current progress, and the screen showing that the bonus has not triggered. Write down the game name and the exact requirement you completed. Then contact Cash Giraffe support through the app and provide those details. The key distinction is whether everything is stuck or only the bonus is stuck. If normal activity is missing too, focus on tracking and permissions. If normal activity works but the bonus does not trigger, document the issue and contact support. Your next step is to restart Cash Giraffe. Verify the game was launched through the correct offer, check permissions and updates, and test the bonus again. If this fixed your Cash Giraffe bonus problem, like the video and subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.